Did you know it's actually really easy to make your own ice cream cones? These are a classic sugar cone. It's a very simple recipe and it doesn't take that long to put together for that really special classic ice cream shop feeling in your own home. Now, believe it or not, the ice cream cone, according to my research, is actually the state dessert for one of my states in this series because it was introduced at the World's Fair in this state. So let me know in the comments what state you think that is. The recipe is in the description, and before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can join me every week for new recipes. This starts with some all-purpose flour and then super fine sugar along with some salt, and we're going to add vanilla extract, an egg white, some whole milk, and some melted butter. This makes a really nice batter. So the important thing here is to start in a cold pan. You want to put about 2.5 tablespoons of this batter in your pan. I like to use an offset spatula, but spread it into a very thin circle. Cook it on medium heat for 4 minutes, and then kind of use that offset spatula to ensure that it's going to come off of there. That's why a nonstick pan is good for this. But give it a flip and cook it for about another 1 to 2 minutes. And it's important to move fast after it's done cooking. Have a kitchen towel ready, put it on there, use a cone roller to quickly roll this up tightly. It will start to set and harden the second it comes out of the pan. So it's important you move quickly here. And I actually just made my own cone roller because I realized I somehow didn't have one. I just took a piping bag, filled it with sugar, wrapped it in foil to get a cone shape, and that was it. Let the cones cool, fill them with your favorite ice cream, and if you want to wrap them in parchment paper to give that ice cream shop feel, it's even more fun. So good. Now, I've got to be honest, I did not know it was so easy to make homemade ice cream cones. I've never done it before, and this has changed my life. It's got that nice crunch to it, that fresh cone flavor that you get from a traditional ice cream store that's like so nostalgic and so comforting. Once again, the recipe for this is in the description, so check it out if you'd like to make it at home. And the state for this is Missouri. I had no idea, but World's Fair in Missouri apparently is where the ice cream cone was introduced. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.